Use bleach before recaulking only when mold is confined to the surface of existing caulk and not penetrating the substrate. When treating mold on caulk prior to recaulking, first confirm the mold is surface level by scraping gently with a plastic scraper. If the mold comes off easily and the substrate beneath looks intact, bleach can be used to sanitize the area. Mix a 1-part household bleach to 3 parts water solution and apply it with a spray bottle or sponge, allowing 5 to 10 minutes of contact time to kill surface mold spores. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry completely using a fan or dehumidifier to reach a very low moisture level before applying new caulk. Wear nitrile gloves, eye protection, and an N90 filtering mask if you are sensitive to mold, and ensure the room is well ventilated by opening windows or running an exhaust fan. Remove all old caulk fully with a caulk remover and clean tools between rooms to avoid cross-contamination. Residual old material can prevent new caulk adhesion. Choose a mildew-resistant silicone or polyurethane caulk rated for wet areas and smooth the bead with a wet finger or caulk tool within 5 minutes for the best seal. Allow the new caulk to cure for the manufacturer recommended time, typically 24 to 72 hours, before exposing it to water. Common mistakes include using bleach when mold is embedded behind the wall, which only sanitizes the surface and hides a larger problem. If the substrate is soft, stained deep, or the mold returns quickly, stop and plan for removal of the damaged material and replacement of the backing or drywall. Another error is applying new caulk to a damp surface, leading to adhesion failure. Always ensure the area is bone dry and use a moisture meter or an extended drying time with active ventilation. People also skip proper removal of old caulk and cleaner's residue, which prevents bonding. Use a dedicated caulk remover, clean with water after bleaching, and wipe with isopropyl alcohol if allowed by the caulk manufacturer to promote adhesion. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors by offering a searchable platform where people can find local professionals and discuss project details in our active discussion community. We help contractors gain visibility and leads while giving homeowners a place to ask questions, share photos, and learn from peers before hiring someone.